Looking to set up Apple ID legacy contacts on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M4, etc.? If you ever lose access, this will help someone you trust access your account and data. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Apple ID legacy contacts on a Mac Mini. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first, open up the Settings app, then click on your Apple ID. Now click on Sign In and Security. Scroll down a little bit, and after that, click on the Setup option next to Legacy Contact. Then click on Add Legacy Contact option. Here you may need to enter your Mac login passcode. Then click on the plus icon to choose someone after choosing the trusted person. Click Next. After that, click Continue. Now we'll make a privacy key. So click Continue. Now you can print this key, or you can save it as a PDF. By clicking the PDF below, then select Save as PDF. Now choose your file location, name, and then click Save. Click Done. Again, click Done. Now, if you want to remove this contact, click on Legacy Contacts. Next, click on the contact name you added. Then click on Remove Contact. Click Remove Contact again. Enter your Mac login passcode. Click Done. And that's it. This is how you can set up or remove Apple ID legacy contacts on your Mac Mini. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.